Aloha. The mission of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency is to protect human health and the environment. Part of that mission is to respond to emergencies such as the devastating wildfires that impacted Maui in 2023. Today, I'm happy to report that EPA's ESF3 water and wastewater mission assignments to support the County of Maui in restoring water and wastewater services throughout Lahaina are complete. Our success would not have been possible without the partnership and support of our federal partners, the County of Maui, the Hawaii Department of Health, the Boys and Girls Club of Maui, local cultural monitors, cultural sensitivity trainers, and many workers contracted to support the effort, as well as 373 different EPA responders from all around the country. EPA provided technical assistance to the County of Maui's drinking water and wastewater utilities. EPA also conducted field operations, which included sewer line inspections to find where repairs would be needed, consisting of over 18.5 miles of sewer lines, accelerating the county's efforts to make urgent repairs and restore wastewater services. EPA also conducted sampling of hydrants to assure water in the system was free of contaminants, followed by sampling of 1,308 drinking water supply lines to find where fire contaminants entered drinking water pipes at each home or other structures. Sampling results showed that 40% of service lines did have fire-caused contamination. Finally, EPA conducted isolations of water lines where sampling showed contamination. EPA isolated 592 contaminated lines in addition to the 194 lines that the county isolated. The next steps are for the County of Maui to complete their efforts to restore water and wastewater services throughout Lahaina. EPA will continue to support the County of Maui and the Hawaii Department of Health with technical assistance. It has been an honor to have this kuleana, or responsibility, to serve Maui. The people of Maui share EPA's mission to assure safe drinking water for the public and protect aquatic environments everywhere. Maui will remain in the hearts of EPA responders forever. Mahalo nui loa.